Sound check, sound check.
Ayan. So, let's continue. Let's have a quick review once again for the 9 parts of speech muna. 9 parts of speech. So again, what are those? We have noun. What else? Pronoun. Very good. Yes. Verb. Adjective. Correct. Adverb. Okay. Preposition. Very good. Conjunction. Interjection. And article. Okay. So when we say noun, this is what? A name of a person, places, things, phenomena. Yun yun. I provided you the, ano, di ba? The PowerPoint in your GC. Yun yun. Yun yung mas mabilis tandaan. Okay? So we have example here and John and Ball. For pronoun, the word pro meaning this is for noun. So it starts with the letter R. Replacement. Very good. Replacement for noun. Anna become to replace she. John to replace ball to replace it. Then verb, this is what we call an action word. So for the action word, Anna can sing. John can ouch, dance. Then ball can bounce, meaning it describe. This is the action. For adjective, starts with the letter D to describe the noun and pronoun. So she is beautiful. John is handsome. Ball is round. Well, adverb, kaya nga add, tsaka verb. To modify, very good. To modify the adjective, to modify the verb, or another adverb. So, sing nicely. Dance gracefully. And bounce fastly. Yan yon. Preposition, this is for north, south, east, and west, meaning that's for direction. Diba? So we have here the in, on, at, under, above, etc. Conjunction, it connects word. Yeah, nagko-connect to. Connect words into a single unit. Example, fun, boys. F for fur, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Interjection, for strong feelings and emotion, and it has exclamation point. Example, wow, yehey, aha, ouch. Yan. And article, this is divided in, or determiners. Determiners. This is divided into two, which is general and specific. For general, this is indefinite. while specific is definite. Example in general, a or an. A for consonant if the next word starts with the consonant, and an starts with the vowel. And these are both for singular. Clear? Example of specific article, this is the or the. In pronunciation rules, the if the next word starts with the vowel, a consonant, and the if the next word starts with a vowel. Correct? Any more question? That's just a review.